Primary School is located on the lands of the Bunurong people, and we wish to acknowledge them as traditional owners.
We would also like to pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and Aboriginal elders of the other communities who may be present today.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this Commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this week's assembly. It's Mr. Music. I'm just looking after online assembly this week while Mr. Rolf is away. I hope everyone has had a fantastic week. And I just wanted to recap some of the really great things that have happened this week. Firstly, our SWPBS goal this week was we are quiet whilst others are working. I want to say a really big thank you to all students this week. That was one of our respect behaviours this week. I saw lots of good learning in the classroom, lots of respectful behaviour by being quiet whilst others are working, and I thought that that was really good to see, whilst in particular our Year 3 and 5 students were completing NAPLAN this week. A big congratulations to our students who finished NAPLAN this weekend. We're really proud of your effort and your resilience, and we thought that you were really responsible in the way you approached your NAPLAN testing this week. So on behalf of the whole school, a big congratulations to Years 3 and 5. This week we celebrated Harmony Day, and I just wanted to say that it was really great to see so many kids getting involved in the activities across the school. Harmony Day is a very important day for us here as a school. We are a very rich and diverse community, and it's really great for us to be able to celebrate that diversity and celebrate really what makes Cranbourne East Primary School so special. Speaking of things that are special, big reminder, we hope to see you tonight for our movie night here at school. The gates open at 7 p.m, the movie starts at 7:30 p.m, and we're all going to be watching Sonic 2. So looking forward to that. Good chance for all of your families to come along, sit down, put down a picnic rug and have a good time and just relax and enjoy something nice and special at night time. We look forward to seeing you there tonight. Just a reminder that we have a whole school assembly next week on Thursday in the morning, so Thursday the 28th of March. That is also our last day of school for term 1. but we would like to invite all our parents and carers to come on down to the assembly. We're going to be celebrating our student achievements, showcasing some of our students' strengths and talents, and it'll be a nice community event and a good way to finish off term 1 for 2024. So an extra note on that, please note that school will finish at 2:30 on Thursday next week, being that it is our final day. And then obviously we've got the extra day off into the holidays with the Good Friday public holiday. And just lastly, by now you will know that we will be having our house winners that would have been celebrated today. And I just want to say a big congratulations to all our houses. This term, we were focusing on the value of respect, but I really want to say a big thank you to all students in Ruffy, Lyle, Hudson and Donnelly for your great work this term. I know you received lots of stickers and you were receiving prizes in the classroom, or sometimes prizes outside the classroom, and we're really proud of your effort this term. And just finally, to teachers and staff, a big thank you for your work this term. We really appreciate your work in supporting our students. And that is it from me. I hope everybody has a fantastic final week next week. And we look forward into all leading into the school holidays starting at the end of the day next Thursday. All right, have a lovely weekend, everybody. Make sure you get outside in that sunshine, have some active time outside, maybe read a little bit, but most importantly, make sure you spend some quality time with family. See you, everyone.
Well done to all students who participated in our whole school cross-country day. It was a fantastic effort by everyone. A special congratulations to the students who finished in the top 10 places of their race. We have now created our school cross-country team. These students will represent Cranbourne East at the district cross-country next term. Congratulations and good luck.
Hi everyone, it's your favourite time of the week again, time for a joke. Why don't ducks tell jokes when they're flying? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, time's up. Why don't ducks tell jokes when they're flying? Because they would quack up. Have a great week, everyone, and keep smiling.
Congratulations to all students for contributing to the overall total of points for their house. The winner for Term 1 with a total of 1,260 points is Lyle. Well done, everybody.